What exactly is generative AI? When artificial intelligence creates something new like text, images, videos, music, or even voices, we call it generative AI. It works through something simple, yet powerful, a prompt. You tell it what you want, and it creates. This technology can answer questions, summarize complex ideas, write short stories, generate artwork, build apps, compose music, etc. Behind all this is a vast foundation of data. The AI learns patterns, styles, and structures, and uses that knowledge to produce something entirely new. Sometimes it's so impressive, you might not even realize it was made by a machine. Generative AI tools are already everywhere, from writers and designers to coders and marketers. They can boost productivity, enhance creativity, and give anyone the power to build. But it's not without risk. These tools can also be misused. They can create deepfakes, fake images or videos that look real. They can write fake news or misleading content. And sometimes, they make up facts, a flaw known as hallucination. That's why the human role is still essential. Because while AI can do the heavy lifting, we must guide it, verify it, and use it responsibly. The quality of what's created depends on the quality of the data it was trained on, and the clarity of the prompts we provide. We are now entering a new era, an era where AI doesn't just assist. It creates alongside us. For decades, creativity and coding meant logic, precision, and repetition. Progress was steady, but slow. Then came a breakthrough. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, DALL-E, and Gemini are trained on billions of words, images, and code snippets. They don't just autocomplete, they collaborate. They can write code, draft documents, generate designs, and more, all from natural language prompts. Tell the AI. Make a login system in Flask. Paint a cyberpunk city skyline. Write a poem in Shakespearean style, and it does. Students are learning faster. Designers are prototyping instantly. Startups are launching minimum viable product, MVP, in days. MVP is a product with enough features to attract early adopter customers and validate a product idea. Even kids are building apps, no code needed. But let's be clear, generative AI isn't perfect. It can introduce bugs, overlook security, mislead users, or reflect societal biases. It's only as good as its data and as careful as its user. We also face big ethical questions. Who owns AI-generated content? Is it legal if AI reproduces open source code? Should creators be credited when their work trains these models? The answers? Still evolving. So, will AI take our jobs? Not exactly. But it will reshape them. Repetitive tasks are getting automated. What remains are the human parts: strategy, creativity, judgment, ethics. Generative AI lowers the barrier to entry. Now, anyone, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, can bring ideas to life without needing technical expertise. This is no longer just for engineers. It's for everyone. In education, AI becomes a tutor, explaining concepts, helping with assignments, and tailoring learning to each student's pace and style. What's next? Interfaces where you create with your voice or a sketch. Tools that fix bugs before they happen. A world where anyone can build powerful software, not with code, but with conversation. Generative AI isn't just a tool. It's a partner. A second brain. A spark for the next generation of creators. This is not just about automating work, it's about amplifying imagination. AI won't replace humans, but humans using AI will replace those who don't. If you're ready to explore this new frontier, don't just watch the revolution, be part of it. Do subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful.